Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the PDF itself and the printer state. Open the file and flip through pages to catch missing fonts or images. This avoids surprises at the printer. Once done, make sure the printer is online, has paper, and at least 20% ink or toner so quality stays consistent. Also set the paper size and orientation now so the document scales correctly when you print. This prevents cropping and blank margins later. You next adjust the print dialog to control quality and layout. Pick a higher DPI, 300 to 600, for sharp text and images. Low DPI softens fine strokes. Make sure to choose actual size or 100% if exact layout and measurements matter, because fit will rescale and may shift content. Then decide color versus grayscale. Enable duplex if you want double-sided output, and match the paper type to the printer driver so toner and feed settings optimize for. You should print one test page and inspect it closely for alignment, smudging, or color shifts. This saves time and supplies. If you see problems, make targeted fixes. Update the printer driver, embed missing fonts in the PDF, or export as a PDF/X file to lock down color and layout. Once corrected, reprint the test. When it matches expectations, run the full job and save a print-ready copy so you can reproduce the same result.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.